New by traffic, Cirrus 226, Druid Hotel. I'm 8 miles to the north, setting up for left base for 09, new by traffic. It's not that thing, I don't think. I think it's farther down.
6 miles out on a modified right base into 16, Daniel.
Goes all the way around.
Oh yeah, that's Hawk's Nest way up there.
Okay.
And then other places straight that way.
North Louisville traffic, stop again enter, 704 Victor, 10 miles southeast of North Louisville, inbound, runway 7.
Get that, yeah. It's past those. You were looking at the lake like I did, right?
I was,
you see it now past it?
Yeah.
Autopilot off. Power back. Let's get some flaps in.
Over there.
Huh?
Oh, it's like a big yacht or
Yeah.
thing.
Okay, you're getting speed down. And first slide up first, flaps. Oh, first flap, there we go. New by traffic, Cirrus 226, turning for a 3.5 mile final for 09, new by traffic. Landing on Cat.
Hey, oh. I need to come back here.
Huh? Yeah, I know, me too. So happy we can.
7.
Okay, 3 miles out. Laps. Goes down. Yeah. New by traffic, Cirrus 226, Druid Hotel, 2 mile final, 09.
Altitude.
Looks like a lot of cars on the parking lot, that's for sure.
That's up in your bite.
New by traffic, 1.5 mile final, 09.
500.
We're gonna park.
Traffic 12 o'clock, same altitude less than 1 mile.
Stall.
Hey.
pilot.
Oof, rough runway. Ups up. The air on for me. Just all right, let's flip around. By traffic, the Cirrus is back taxiing on 09. Feel that runway?
Actually,
And Attic is entering runway 27, backtrack to threshold 09er.
side do we move over?
No, he's going on the runway to back taxi on 09 behind me.
Little Cat Island.
Yep. Now we gotta find a place to park. Maybe, can we f two guys on the back?
Yeah, I bet we could.
Maybe.
Customs.
Isn't this funny? He's facing us.
Oh.
It's a standoff.
Oh no!
I think we can fit between those
I
guys.
think so too.
That guy has a cover on it.
And we're here. Yay! Oh,
We're gonna have to push it back, but
But Aztec is about runway 09er to the northwest, invite.
yeah, let's try to get as close as I can. And
shut this off.
work.
That lane.
Hey, beautiful.
We're so sad we're leaving Cat Island.
We are leaving. Sun's rising. Another plane just started. But we had an awesome time. Love you.
And say altitude.
6,000, 226 Druid Hotel.
Are you able to climb to 8,000?
I can climb to 8,000, 6 Druid Hotel.
Roger, clear to the Fort Pierce Airport via direct surfing file. Climb and maintain 8,000.
Clear direct to surf and S-File, climb and maintain 8,000, 6 Druid Hotel.
And the NASA altimeter 3004, and it's more than an hour old.
Roger. I don't know how much this is coming through, but we're just past north of Luthra, which is right there. Cat's having some breakfast. Good morning. And I don't know if you can see this from the thing, but it almost looks like a desert under the sea, but it's actually not land. That's actually just sand dunes under the sea. So beautiful. Crazy, doesn't it look like a blue desert?